Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 15th of June, 2023. We're going to talk about ICP real quick. We're going to give you all an update, price prediction into the market for ICP, trying to see if this particular cryptocurrency is ready to go higher. Now, looking at the chart for what it is, it doesn't look like it. You guys can tell that we've been in a downtrend in ICP for quite a while. We may actually see this market in ICP try to get a bounce right around this vicinity here where price currently is trading at $3.75. Or we may actually see the market come all the way down to the lows from December the 19th, 2022 before we actually see the market try to go higher in price. What do you guys think? Let's talk about it, because you guys can see right here, I did a video for ICP on May the 24th, 2023, looking for the price to go down anyway. So I'm not surprised to see price currently trading around $3.77. I'm not, because we talked about it there on our video on May the 24th. If you were to get out the market now in ICP, check that out. Almost 23% profit right there. Or if you were to get out the market now, if you were to get out the market on our ultimate TP price, you guys can see a 14.41%. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this horizontal line here and I actually identify the trend in the market for ICP. Okay. Because obviously this particular cryptocurrency is trending. And for those who are bullish, it's not trending in your favor. We're seeing the price in ICP actually trend to the downside. Okay, so this is a very weak market right now in ICP. We did receive one good indicator yesterday or 2 days ago, which is right here. You guys can see that we actually got an indicator of strength into the market in ICP, which is indicative of the market trying to go higher. But then you follow it the next day on the 14th of June and the market went right back down. So it tells you again that the buyers are not interested, or at least they haven't entered the market trying to impact ICP's price. Okay, here it is on the 2-day chart. Take a look at ICP on the 3-day real quick, and on the 5. Take a look at this on the weekly chart 2. And I really want to see the conclusion of the 2 weeks and the 3-weekly chart, because it will give us a longer term perspective as to whether or not ICP is going to continue to go down, or will we actually see it begin to do this. Okay, trade sideways. So we're going to wait a couple more days to see the conclusion of those time frames to get a better idea as to how the market actually is thinking, how it's feeling, to see if it's still weak or bullish. Okay, so you guys can see right here, we did see a pretty good run up in the price action in ICP starting on this 13-hour price bar. It would have been great for us to allow the market to continue to go higher. But now, right here is where sellers are. Okay, this is where the sellers currently reside. It would have been great if the sellers would have came in up there around $4.10. It would have been better there, but they didn't show up. They came in a lot earlier than that. Okay, take a look at it. So right now, should we be bullish into the market in ICP? The answer is no. And then you see it here on this 13-hour price bar here of weakness. So let's look at this on another hourly chart. Here's ICP on the 11-hour chart. Again, you got that indicator right here of weakness. Here's ICP on the 7 hours. So what it looked like to me for ICP is that the market merely is going to consolidate still, maybe within $4.10 as resistance, taking us all the way back to the lows right there on June the 9th, 2023. So we can expect at least the market in ICP to figure itself out. This is the current process right now. The market is trying to figure itself out as to determine whether or not the market wants to continue to go higher. Now, yes, we did see the market go right back down on the daily time frame yesterday. But if you guys can tell here on the hourly chart, the market is making higher lows. It's making higher lows. Okay, so this is the opportunity. This is the environment to where if you're not involved into a position in ICP, that you want to let the market time to wash itself out, to figure which way it really wants to go. If you're still bearish into the market in ICP, then you're still sitting pretty. because the market hasn't broken this downtrend line. So as long as price in ICP continues to drift down, we already know where price ultimately is going to go. It's going to go lower. But once we see the market in ICP break this downtrend line, then we'll need to have another conversation. Okay. So right now, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to let the market be still. I'm just going to be still. I'm not going to move. I'm not going to touch anything as of right now. Right now, it's like a time to where you want to come in and figure out your entry to come in and participate if you haven't gotten into a play yet. So I'm just going to be still. I'm not going to drop a price prediction for ICP just yet. But currently, it's not ready to rip. From all of the information that I've shown you on this video, it is showing you that price in ICP is not ready to go higher. Now, once we begin to see those indicators, those changes of where sellers have left the market and buyers are now controlling the price, then we'll understand when this market is ready to go up. Until then, it's not going to happen. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.